everyone, welcome to Acharyya Chandralekha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make these 3D layered mandala cards with little art supplies. Please excuse the camera angle because it's not that perfect, and let's focus on the card making. I made this card for my little sister on Siblings Day and she really loved it, so I thought of sharing the process with you all. I bought this cardstock from Amazon. These are by Imprint. I have folded one of the A5 cardstocks in half and I'm using a white cardstock on which I will be drawing the mandala design. Draw the circles as shown in the video. I am now using a sketch pen to outline the circles. If I do this freehand, then the lines might get crooked and it might not look that good. So I am using a sketch pen for that. Now I am bisecting the circle in 8 equal halves so that the design that I will be putting on it becomes symmetrical. Now you can design as you wish. I am going for a simple design because this is a 2-layered mandala. The more the layers, the more you can play with the designs. Now I am using the double-sided adhesive tape to get the 3D effect. Now that our layered mandala design is ready, it's time to add some sentiments to it. These sentiment sheets are printed on 250 GSM paper and are available in my shop, the AT Card. It's alright if you do not have sentiment sheets. You can still write on a thick cardstock. Whatever you want to write in it, cut it out and paste it on your card. If you recreate this card, then feel free to tag me on my Instagram account @myselfacharya. I would love to see your card. I think the black one goes well with my card, so I'm going to work with this one. And my 3D layered mandala card is ready. I hope you got some help from this video. If you want to see more art videos like this, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below, like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay in touch. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.